Wow, you really fit your trunk space in to get those 15s to fit.
Yeah, there wasn't a whole lot of space.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Nice. Did this box slide in or did you build it in?
Build it in.
Oh, that's some work. You did it though, man. Nice. So are these smart 3s or 3Ks?
Smart 3s.
Okay. And 45 amp hour lithium?
6, yeah, C-Max.
C-Max. All right, nice. And a little 4-channel amp? All right.
I'm running the stock Monsoon. The stock Monsoon amplifier.
Oh, okay, back there hidden.
That's
all right.
the external.
Okay. So, what is your name, man, and do you know the tuning on your enclosure?
I'm not sure the exact tuning,
Okay.
but my name is Skittles,
Mm-hmm.
and that's what I've gone to.
All right.
2 VFL comp yellow cone 15s.
Wow, you really fit your trunk space in to get those 15s to fit.
Yeah, there wasn't a whole lot of space.
Uh-huh. Is it louder or does it matter with the trunk open or closed?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter, okay.
It's not even sealed, but
It isn't, okay.
It likes it either way.
Yeah.
It actually prefers to be open.
Okay. And you got up here too, so I'm sure you get some issues with the flex on that, or is it doing all right?
It actually likes to breathe.
Okay. Nice.
So that really surprised me in the end.
Yes, sir. Looks good.
Of course, my radio's not wanting to connect.
What vehicle is this?
It's a 2004 Grand Am.
Grand Am. All right. And your electrical upgraded alternator?
I have a Mechman 320. It's actually off of a 5.3 liter.
Okay.
We had to custom.
Made it work?
Yeah.
All right.
Made it work though.
Sweet. Yeah, I love to hear it. Looks good.
Of course, I can't get it to connect. It can play from 30 to 55.
Okay. Check out the hood. Do you have a lower frequency tone?
Yeah,
maybe if you try something else. I like that, man. Very nice.
This kind of has a full range on it.
Okay. The demo, man. What frequency is that? Mid 40s?
44.
44. All right.
Yeah, I can play from 30 to 55.
Okay. Thank you very much for the
Absolutely,
demo.
man. It was
Nice,
awesome.
nice to watch you. What was your name again?
Skittles.
Skittles. All right, Skittles. Be sure to give him a thumbs up. Great demo.
Thank you.